Hi everybody, I'm Ricardo.
I'm Beata.
Today we're gonna venture to Pine Island in Hernando County, here in Florida. We're gonna be riding back roads going northwest. We're hoping to see a lot of cool things on our way to Pine Island, and we hope you enjoyed the ride with us on this new venture. Join us.
See you on the road.
See you on the road. again. So here we are in Pine Island. This park is a beautiful park. Unfortunately, we have a couple big hurricanes. They hit this area, and as you can see, the park is closed. They doing some repairs. We've been riding for a little bit close to an hour. How you feel about the ride?
That's good. It was good. A little hot.
Yeah. This season also they have love bugs,
Yeah.
and they can hit you as you know, they don't bite, but hey, they can hit you. Look at that rooster over there. You want to go for a walk?
Yeah.
So we're gonna walk a little bit here, even though the park is closed. We're just gonna maybe just walk.
Let's see that part of the beach.
Yes.
You can see a little bit.
So here we are.
I wonder if you can swim in the heat.
So we got some chickens there. This area is beautiful throughout the year.
But they still do repairs after the hurricanes from last year.
Yeah, they still repairing. A lot of people got hit by the two hurricanes back to back. Here we are. We can see the Gulf of Mexico. Some people call it Gulf of America. We're just gonna call it the Gulf, so we stay neutral. But we love this Gulf. It's a beautiful area. So let's see if we can just explore a little bit with our venture. It looks like it's low tide. But we made it.
Yeah.
We made it to Pine Island.
You did.
Yeah, dog getting cool off a little bit.
Probably people swim here.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's the bay? The water is warm.
Now this is the Gulf.
The water is warm.
Yes, low tide. Very nice. And usually where you see those palm trees over there, that's the beach area. Most people like to go over there and just hang out and enjoy the nice weather and the beautiful view. But yeah, you can see well, that house on my left is new construction. Pretty big house. This one looks like it's being damaged by the hurricane. It's still, they're doing some repairs. Footsteps from the water, so no surprise that it was hit hard by the hurricanes.
This is private property, so we should
Yes.
show no.
So this is private property.
This
Hopefully
is
we're
the
not gonna
beach.
get in trouble. But as you can see, that that's the park that is closed for now, and they're doing a lot of repairs. Hopefully,
I think that's the public beach.
yes. So
Bathrooms.
yeah, the bathroom's right there where the blue structure is.
Hopefully they
Yeah.
will open by summer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's a beautiful day. So we're just gonna move to the other side because over here we have a sign that says private property, so we don't want to get in trouble.
Reminds me a little bit the beach by Newport Beach.
Yes. So it was a great venture
Yeah.
here. Don't forget, everyone, if you enjoy this channel, click follow us,
Subscribe. Maybe one day you will ride with us.
subscribe. Yeah, that will be great if you guys can subscribe and support our new channel, Riders Venture, Riders FL on YouTube. Easy to find. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this venture with us, and see you on our next venture.
Bye. Ride safe.
Ride safe. Bye.